Hi guys, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start off with my Mary Kay Clear Proof Toner. It's 2% salicylic acid. I'm just gonna tone my skin and prepare it for all this makeup that we're gonna be wearing. Now I'm going in with my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer for very dry skin, and I'm putting that all over my face because my face is hella dry right now and I'm breaking out. So I gotta make sure my skin is moisturized and everything is taken care of, because you know when your skin is dry you're more prone to breakout. Now I'm taking my NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade and the NYX Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate, and that's what I'm gonna use to fill in my eyebrows. I feel in my eyebrows a lot different now, so if you guys wanna updated eyebrow routine, please let me know. But now what I'm doing right now is just filling them in with the pomade and then going over them with the gel. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Glow color corrector in yellow, or yellow corrector, and that's what I'm using to clean up my brows. I clean up underneath and then I clean up the top arch of my brows, and then I use my blending brush to blend that out to make sure there ain't no harsh concealer lines and I don't have any concealer brows out here looking crazy. So that's what I'm doing now, just blending out and fixing everything that don't look right, basically. Now I'm going in with my NYX Skin Tone Eye Base, and this is going to be my primer for my eyeshadow that I will be applying today. I'm just going to put that all over my lid and blend that out with my fingers. I find that blending out with my fingers is a lot more easier and it blends out more seamlessly on my lids that way. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going in with Morocco first as my transitional color, and I'm just gonna blend that with a fluffy blending brush all through my crease area. And these eyeshadow come in singles now. This was just a limited edition palette that I got, but you can buy them off the Anastasia Beverly Hills website or any place that carries Anastasia's eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with Fudge from that same Anastasia palette, and I'm bringing that to the outer V area of my eyelids, and I'm not taking it out too far. I'm just creating a circular outer V area. I'm just taking that color right in that outer V area. I'm not taking it into the crease. I'm not putting it anywhere. I'm just building up that color step by step, little by little, and going in and blending it out as I go until I get the intensity that I want. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Amber Rush. And let me tell you guys, I'm gonna spray this with some Mario Badescu rose water just to intensify the eyeshadow. But let me tell you guys, this don't need to be sprayed with anything. These eyeshadows are buttery, creamy, metallic. They give me fucking life. Like, these eyeshadows are legit. Like, when I say legit, I mean legit. I used to love the ColourPop ones, but these ones, way better. Way better than the ColourPop ones. Oh my freaking god. They're a bomb. I'm just putting that on my lid, and while I'm putting it on my lid, I am blending it out also. So that's all that I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go in with my blending brush with no extra eyeshadow on it. I'm just gonna blend my lid color and my crease color together to make sure it's a seamless blend and everything. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in black, and I'm just making a wing liner, like not too big, not too little, a medium size wing on both of my eyelids. If you guys know any good drugstore liquid liner or gel liner, please comment below and tell me. Your girl is in dire need of a new liquid or gel liner. The struggle is real out here to find a good one. So yeah, hit me up and tell me. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Pro Matte in 109 and my Mary Kay foundation. I'm mixing both of them together to get my perfect match. And I'm putting that all over my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my brush. I'm gonna spray it with some Mario Badescu rose water and blend that out all over my skin to give me an even skin tone. Cause the girl is breaking out and her skin is looking real horrible right now. So yeah. So I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl yellow corrector, and I'm using that as my highlighter because of my strong yellow undertones in my skin. This is what I prefer to use. This is what look good on my skin tone. Dance break. Now I'm using my Real Techniques Expert Face Sponge, and I'm blending out that concealer. I'm blending it out as good as I can, as good as humanly possible to blend concealer. Just blend. Blending is key, major key. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush that I applied my foundation and just go over my highlight to make it blend more and there's no harsh lines. None of I'm going in with my Beauty Treats bronzer palette and I'm using the two darkest shade, the lightest one as my bronzer and then the darker one as my contour to chisel these cheekbones even though they don't need any more chiseling, but a girl needs some definition in her life. So yeah, gotta contour a little bit, even just a little bit. So now we're going to attack the lower lash line, and I'm going in with the same colors that I use on my lids, uh, and using Morocco first, then going in with fudge to smoke out the lower lash line and to give that nice smoky blown out effect. Then I'm gonna apply mascara, and this is the Mary Kay mascara, and I'm applying mascara to the top and bottom lashes in preparation for my top lashes because I'm gonna put on some falsies in a minute. The falsies that I'm actually wearing are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I love these. They're natural, everyday lashes. Really can see your makeup with these on. So those are what I'm applying. I'm going in with my ColourPop Beeper Ultra Matte Lippy, and this is one of my favorite Ultra Matte Lippies. It's creamy, buttery, and easily to apply.
Hi guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I've been slacking on my makeup tutorials, but I got y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuce.